What's up? Today we're gonna be playing Papa. Hi guys, so we're gonna be playing Papa's Pancakeria. We're playing as I don't know, I forgot the name of the girl. Anyways, I put a lot of cheese, or at least I don't know what that is. I think it's cheese. And now time for blueberries. No. We need more. We need more. More blueberries. Blueberries for life. Yes, okay, now blueberry sauce thingy. Masterpiece. This is a goddamn masterpiece. Wow. I gave you more. And you only give me a $1.44 tip. Now that's dumb. Very dumb. Alright, what you want, DJ Taylor? One pancake and that? And what's the difference? Pancake. Awesome. Well then, this is gonna be taking a long time. Not gonna lie. This is gonna take like 7 years to actually be done. You done? Yeah? Bop, 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 and bop, and kabop. Oh, no, they're getting burned. Fast. Alright, masterpiece. And now he wants cheese. Or at least I think it's cheese. He doesn't. Oh, I wanted to make a. Oh. Yes, I'm making a tower. I'm making the great tower. Even though that doesn't exist, I'm making it. Yes, I'm making a stairway. Yes, no. Maybe if I do that. No, whatever, good enough. And then some diarrhea. Yummy. Diarrhea. Alright, it's done. Do you like it? What? Okay, 60 cents. Well then guys, I'll see you tomorrow. This is the last video I'm gonna be making today. So yeah. Bye!